Namaste, my name is Manali Sejal Upadhyay. Today we will understand about Kangen Water Machine e-cleaning system. This is Kangen machine Leveluk SD501 at my place. So we will see e-cleaning process on this machine. First of all, switch off the machine and then remove the plug. You can see this black lid on the left side of the machine. We have to remove this. So on the left side of the lid, on the center of the lid, you will see the push written over it. Just press it and lightly remove it. After removing the black lid, you will find this filter. We will have to remove this filter. This filter is attached with this ring, so we will have to rotate this ring and remove this filter. To remove this ring, rotate the ring towards the left side. Slowly it will get unlocked. Then lightly hold it and remove it by pulling this ring upwards. You can see this ring now. After removing this ring, slide filter upwards lightly and remove it. Specially take care that this black O-ring are on this filter. If these black O-rings are not there on the filter, then please check in the machine and attach the black O-ring on the filter. This is CPU. You can see this. It is of light yellow color and it has CPU written on it. Now we will have to open the lid of this CPU by rotating it. You can see this space. Here we have to pour the e-cleaner powder. This is e-cleaner powder. Cut it and pour in the space in the center of the CPU. Pour the whole e-cleaner powder in it. Then again rotate the lid of the CPU and lock it. On this place where firstly the filter was placed, there you will have to place the CPU. Check these black O-rings are there on the CPU. Then place the CPU on that place. After placing CPU, we will have to put this ring again and lock it by rotating this ring towards the right side. If due to any reason you have to move the Kangen machine, then first remove the electrolysis enhancer from the machine. On right side top of the machine, you can see here the push button. Place your finger on it and lightly pull the lid towards you. This is electrolysis enhancer. Now we will have to remove it. You can just pull it outwards easily and keep it on the safe place. After removing electrolysis enhancer, hold the machine from downward and place it on a comfortable place. You can see this wide flexible faucet and this grey pipe. We have to join this both the pipe together. Like I have taken the glass bottle, you can take any container to dip this both pipe together in water. If pipe slips off, then tie both the pipe with something, like I have taken here cable tie to tie it over. Switch on the inlet cock and fill the container with water till both pipes tips get dipped in the water. Switch off the inlet cock. Now leave the machine as it is still 3 to 5 hours till e-cleaning process is going on. Don't touch any equipments of the machine or machine, nor even switch on the machine. After 3 to 5 hours, separate both the pipes. If tied with something, then cut it and place the pipes on their original position. Take machine near basin, and if your machine is not near basin, then place a bucket near it. Switch on the inlet cock of the water and let the water flow for 10 to 15 minutes. Then switch off the cock again. Now we have to remove the CPU by rotating the ring on left side. After unlocking the ring lightly, remove the CPU. Take care, black O-rings are there on the CPU. Now before placing the filter again, check that black O-rings are there on it. Then place the filter on its place and lock the ring by rotating it right side. Now place the machine on its original place again. Now first we have to put the electrolysis enhancer back in the machine just by sliding it inwards in this place. Then place the lid by sliding inwards on it. Now we will place the black lid on the left side just by sliding it right side. After attaching all the parts, now plug in the machine and now you can switch it on. Firstly, after starting the machine, let 9.5 pH water flow for 2 to 3 minutes. After this process, you can use all the water from the machine. After the use of CPU, wash the CPU and lid with the tap water and let it air dry on its own. Afterwards, keep the CPU on a safe place. This is electrolysis enhancer. You can measure the liquid in it with this small red ball in the liquid. As it goes down means the liquid is getting over. So fill the liquid in this bottle after the red ball goes down completely. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have query or suggestions, my details are available here. You can contact me. Thank you.